So hey everybody, this is going to be a hair review video because a lot of you guys went crazy over my hair for my birthday pictures that I posted on Instagram. If you're not following me, it is at Pretty P Collins, the same thing on everything. So I posted this hair look on my Instagram for my birthday. This is my birthday hair, and let's just say you guys hit me up in the DMs and asked me 1,000 questions. So here is the video all about this hair. So first off, this hair is from West Kiss Hair. They are an Aliexpress store, and you would not think that based off how good this thing lays, how good quality this hair is. So yes, Aliexpress hair, and this is a frontal unit. As you guys can see, it's been on for a couple of days, so the lace is starting to lift. But honestly, normally my lace frontals, they seem to lift after like the first day. So me just having this on from Saturday, and it's now Tuesday going on Wednesday because it's Tuesday night really. So this to me is lasting a very long time. This did not come to me cut like this. This does not come to me as a unit. Again, this is a lace frontal and bundles. I got a 16-inch lace frontal and then 3 18-inch bundles. I did have my friend come and cut my hair. His name is at the Hair Doc. He is a celebrity hairstylist, and he did come and do my hair for me. And I do have some clips for you guys of him actually cutting the hair, and so I'll insert that now. Okay, so this hair that we're cutting, and basically he's styling to do his own thing. This hair is from West Kiss Hair from Aliexpress, and we're just gonna go for a short bob. Well, not short, but we're going for a bob look with the jumpsuit that I'm wearing. So we will see how it looks afterwards. No, it's gonna be really pretty. I'm excited. Yeah, this is gonna be really nice. How do you feel about this hair?
It's cool. It's super thick. It's good.
People always ask me to do reviews on hair, and I feel like I always say the same things because it's from the same origin.
Yeah.
But it's good to have like a celebrity stylist kind of tell you what they think about a certain hair, especially when it's not their own hair. Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys basically another person's opinion on the hair, since he is a hairstylist and he does hair, he touches hair, he looks at hair all day long, and he actually loved the quality of this hair. So I have not bleached it or anything like that. We barely put any product on it. It literally doesn't have any product on it, and this has held its curl for like what, 3 days? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 4 days, 3-4 days, and it's literally still going. All I've been doing is putting my hair in a bonnet. I haven't had any shedding. I haven't had any tangling. This hair did come to me straight, which was another great thing. I love to get straight hair because that way I can manipulate it any type of way I want to. So it came out gorgeous. I'll turn around. It's just beautiful. It's super soft. I will move closer because this hairline was a little pre-plucked, but we did go in and pluck it a little bit more. So I want to move closer just so you guys can see. I did bleach my knots. As you guys can see, some of the knots did not bleach. I do have on a wig cap underneath, so some of the knots didn't bleach, but for the most part it still gave me that natural hairline look. It looks very natural. This lace definitely just like melts into the skin, and it looks super clean. So yeah, I just want to show you guys that yes, you know, here's the lace right here. It's not itchy. The hair is actually very nice. I honestly don't want to take this unit off, but I do need to take it off. But West Kiss Hair has never let me down. I have reviewed their hair before. I don't think I've done straight hair for them. And I don't think I've done a frontal for them either. So this to me is definitely gorgeous. I do believe this hair quality is at 8A. I do know that some hair companies go to 10, I believe, like 10A just for quality. But this is an 8A and it is beautiful. So just so you guys know, all my links will be down below for this hair. If you guys have any questions on like what we use to style it, we did just use like a bumper curler, not a really big one. It's like, it's the big one and then there's a size down. So the one that is a size down, we use that literally just to give it like the wave effect. And that was pretty much it. Again, I haven't had any shedding, no tangling. I've literally just put my hair in a bonnet and woke up and go, and it still looks completely fresh. Also, another thing I want to say is this this frontal is actually probably maybe one of the best ones that I've had, because normally I do have a lot of balding even after the first couple of days, and this one is, it's not moving. Like, it's gorgeous. So let me know what you guys think. If you ordered from West Kiss before, comment down below, let me know what you got. But I am super impressed. And again, West Kiss never really lets me down. Again, I think it's really pretty. And it's just super flowy, no product. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you're interested, this is my B-Day makeup that I had on for my birthday in my pictures. If you're interested, the video will be up soon. Most likely before this video comes out. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video.